Featuring massive Dearborn power, this real steel street rod combines the core strengths of originality with modern dynamics and top-notch components. Do you want the excellent driving experience of modern street rod technology and the authenticity of a real antique car? This first-class Ford is the opportunity you've been waiting for. This 36 Coupe smooth and solid steel began life as a run-of-the-mill Model 48 that was maintained, driven, and paraded for most of its life. Today, thanks to a detailed body-off restoration, that old-school metal has been stripped, strengthened, and tastefully massaged into an enduring aesthetic that will simply never go out of style with Omni Black paint. Inside is a custom leather interior that continues the theme of classic cool. The driver and one passenger perch on chocolate leather that's stretched around power-operated Eldorado buckets. A 54 Oldsmobile dash flows into a custom console that's stacked with vintage air climate control, an autometer tach, and a custom Autosound head unit. And the driver commands the scene through a short Lokar shifter and a reduced diameter steering wheel. Under the hood, you'll reveal 460 cubic inches of Ford V8 that's fed by a big Holley 4-barrel. That confident engine is mated to a C6 3-speed that spins a Ford 9-inch with a limited slip differential and 328 gears. You really cannot ask for a cooler street rod than this sublime Ford. With an unbeatable combination of authentic good looks and modern hot rod technology, it's the perfect car for any enthusiast who wants a top-notch build without spending 2 years and 6 figures achieving it. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.